Some other foods that will last you a very long time at suhoor but are really hard to eat: steak, salmon, chicken. Like, again, as much as I love the idea of eating steak every morning, steak tastes good at like 7 a.m., 8 a.m., but steak doesn't taste so good at 3 a.m., 2 a.m., and it takes a while to prep. You could also make like kebabs or some low-carb chicken nuggets would be really good for suhoor. And again, I'm not anti-carb by any means. Just for suhoor, I advocate not having carbs. However, at iftar, that's where I advocate for actually very low fats, but in that case, higher carbs, so you can replenish the carbs you depleted during the fast. So these are kind of my suhoor recommendations: is, again, eggs, Greek yogurt, whey protein, maybe some kebabs, maybe some lean meats, whatever it may be. I generally stay away from carbs at suhoor. And for the people who do like carbs at suhoor and who they actually stay full on carbs, I really like yams, oatmeal, potatoes as well, sweet potato. These are all good foods that you could do, or even whole wheat bread if you don't get digestive issues from gluten. Dates is the sunnah, but again, dates just seem to last so short in your stomach that if you're trying to avoid hunger, and some people actually prefer to get more hungry during the fast so they feel more pain, and they do that for the sake of Allah to get more, good deeds that they're putting themselves through pain. But if your goal is to avoid hunger, those are my recommendations.